In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable the Stage Manager on your macOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar, and then go down and select System Settings. On the left panel, select Desktop and Dock. And then over here on the right, just scroll down to Stage Manager. Stage Manager arranges your recent windows into a single strip for reduced clutter and quick access. Go ahead and click inside that oval to toggle that on. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.